I was diagnosed with juvenile rheumatoid arthritis when I was 10 years old. I was just starting junior high at the time, and I spent the first year of junior high on crutches. As I started getting older, I started having a lot more troubles in my left knee. But meanwhile, I had many injections, many aspirations of the knee, and they've tried other kinds of things. My knee buckled a few times, causing it to tear. I had arthroscopic surgery, and they fixed a couple of tears in the knee, and they also worked on some of the arthritis damage that was caused. For approximately 5 years, my knee was always swelled up. As a teacher, you need to be able to bend and get down with the children and help the children, kindergarten age children in particular. I couldn't get on the floor with them. And the last couple of years, I was starting to have a lot of pain. Also, I enjoy doing a lot of activities. I love doing all my orchids that I have at my house. So they even have water aerobics where I live, and I couldn't do any of that anymore. I decided, okay, enough is enough. It's time to see about maybe getting a knee replacement. And the whole process went very well. I'm starting to notice an improvement now, even after 3 months of rehabbing. I've been swimming, I've been able to go to the gym and not worry about my knee flaring up. So that's such a comforting type feeling as well. I go every morning to the gym. At 6 o'clock in the morning, I go to the gym, and I've been very faithful doing all my exercises and going to the gym. And then even several days a week after school, I go and swim laps, because that's a very good exercise as well. I definitely feel like I am on the road of recovery. This was the right time for me to do it right now. I just felt you have to be mentally ready to have it. You have to have a good attitude, and I felt like I had a good attitude and I was ready to have it. And I am very thankful that I had it done, because I love teaching and I couldn't do it. So now that I've had it, and yes, it's a little uncomfortable right now because of having surgery, but I know it's only going to get better.